Hi there, this is iCast Channel, and in this video I'm going to show you 1986 Chevrolet Caprice that's made by Model Car in 1:18 scale. Model Car seems to be a German manufacturer of model cars, but this car is actually made in Bangladesh. It's made in die cast, and it's a very nice model car. So if you like those 1970s and 80s American cars, stay with me to the end of this video because this car is really interesting. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me a thumbs up, and to click bell for news. So let's go on. So here we have the Chevrolet Caprice. That's a typical Caprice from the 1980s and very famous as police cars and police academy, for instance, and also as taxi cabs. I've shown a cab version of this car in a previous video, and it's a very nice car. It has a very nice looking lines, and the model is very well made, although it doesn't have any opening doors, any opening trunk or hood, so we cannot see the engine, we cannot see the trunk, and we can see the interior through the windows only. It's almost like the Boss models, the best of show models, but the Boss models are actually made in reinforced plastic, and this one is made in die cast with plastic details. The car is pretty well detailed, although its base is really a flat piece of plastic with very poor detailing. So it's more the presence that counts than those other details I usually show in some different brands. So let's take a better look at this car. The front of the car, as we can see, features that Chevrolet Caprice grille. It's actually a mesh but not a real grille since we have no engine inside of it. And it's got the hood ornament right here, not actually a hood ornament, but the front ornament, since this was a fiberglass front that was made at the time. And the hood is completely sealed. The headlights look very good. They're quite realistic. They have no issues, really. The bumper looks very nice. And those direction lines we see in a bumper are made in transparent acrylic and look very nice as well. They have no issues, no flashings, no cast markings at all. The bumper guards also look good, as well as the license plate, which is a Michigan license plate. The blinkers are made in orange, just like in the actual cars. And the antenna is a fixed plastic antenna. It looks a little frail, but all you have to do is be careful. Those windshield wipers, I think, should be hidden behind the hood, but they look nice. They don't look bad at all. And the trim around the windows are painted on and cast in metal. The transparency of the windows is very good, so we can see through the windows with all details. The lines in general look very nice, with a Caprice Classic logo on the front fender that's painted on, and the trim, which is the trims are all made in painting. They're cast in metal and painted on, but very well made. The wire wheels look very nice, and the bumpers look very nice as well. We can see the interior through the windows, the door panels, dashboard, which is made in interior color, which is similar to the body color, and the black steering wheel that was typical of Chevrolets, Impalas, and Caprices at the time. Seats look nice, and the trim looks nice. It's all painted on, but well made. The handles are cast in metal and painted on. There are no separate pieces. This is different from the Boss model cars. Taillights are basically a piece of acrylic with painting on. Caprice Classic and Chevrolet are decals in the painting, pretty well made. reverse lights are painted white. They're not the most perfect ones I've seen before, but they're not bad at all. I think the car looks pretty decent. There's a brake light, but only cast in plastic. Perhaps I could take this car apart and do some further detailing in the interior. Seats and dashboard look nice. Passenger side, you can see the steering wheel and the steering column with a gear lever, and a dashboard and a mirror. It's pretty much complete. It doesn't seem to have missed details, but it's not really as rich as some other models I've shown before. It's simply nice. The base of a car is a minus, really. I would say this base is not even decent. It's really a flat piece of plastic with a very poor simulation of a muffler and a gas tank. And this rectangle in the front doesn't even resemble an engine. So this base really is not worth seeing. So rating this car from 0 to 10, I'd give it a 7. I think it looks nice externally. It has a good presence. It looks, it really simulates those American sedans very well. And the Caprice lines are nice. I like the Chevrolet Caprices, and I like this model car as a car, really. But going to further detailing, I think it really needs some work, needs some more attention, especially in some interior details and the base of a car, which is really awful, I would say. The only awful detail about this car, I think, would be the base. Not having opening features is a thing that really bothers me, but it doesn't bother me as much as having bad opening features. So I would say that this car is a pretty good car if you get it for the right price. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to click the bell for news, to give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about this car and about this video in your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.